So Honor officially released the new Honor MagicOS 8.0 system. Officials say that the system achieved AI-driven internal recognition human-computer interaction for the first time. MagicOS 8.0 supports the door function supported by platform-level AI based on rapid understanding of the user true intention. It allows users to traverse different applications with one click, achieve a fast closed-loop multitasking, and bring a new human-computer interaction experience. So users only need to long press the text, picture, or files on the interface, drag them to the edge of the left and right screen, and trigger the any door function to quickly transfer to other application services, reducing operating step and time. It is reported that Honor AnyDoor currently supports services such as taxi hailing, navigation search, shopping, password solving, printing, sharing, and global collection. This feature also available in Honor 50 to 100 series model, and Magic 3, 4, 5 series can be upgraded to MagicOS 8.0 to experience AnyDoor function. MagicOS 8.0 launches a new smart capsule function which is claimed to be globally accessible magic experience. This function is similar to Apple's Smart Assistant, which can display important information on the capsule at the top of the phone, covering 8 major categories of the screen. MagicOS 8.0 supports the 3-finger swipe to save everything function, supporting web pages, videos, documents, pictures, text, and other content, and the collection content support multi-device transfer. MagicOS 8.0 supports the My Day function, automatic storage of notification, intelligent scheduling of schedules, which is equivalent to having an intelligent assistant. In terms of device interconnection, Honor MagicOS 8.0 also brings full-stack and first-generation Magicring trust ring, supporting up to 8 current services including network sharing, screen sharing, keyboard and mouse sharing, camera sharing, window sharing, file sharing, call sharing, and notification sharing. So in terms of performance, Honor said that the invention of the MagicOS 8.0 over OIS has increased to 42%, while MagicOS 7.2 is 30%. MagicOS 8.0 also brings a new spatial effect which is more natural, transparent, and elegant in line with human factor. Supports user scan-aware smart keep allowing commonly used applications to be online at all time. Supports multi-window reloading and extreme scan are stable and smooth. It also features weak network prediction, making online browsing smoother. In terms of security, the parallel space function on MagicOS 8.0 has been upgraded, and the candy bars machine also supports parallel space. Swipe outward with 2 fingers to enter the parallel space and move imported files with just one drag. MagicOS 8.0 also supports functions such as a permission minimize recommendation, privacy monthly report, anti-fraud and anti-rogue software, and anti-shake ads.